Market situation update. Good morning, traders, and welcome back. Wednesday today. We got a good show today, guys. We're gonna check out on the silver. Keeps providing exciting moments. And we've done so well with the silver, but you know what? We're not done yet, right? We still have the last stretch to catch, which is why I want to talk about the silver today. Next video, guys, we're going to talk about the Monero. The crypto market was on the move in the last few days. It's actually coming up, but I'm not buying into that rally. I think it's another technical correction, and the market could very well be on the downside as soon as today or tomorrow. So that's what's on the menu for today. Let's go right ahead, dive in. Silver, guys, had been super interesting here. It's been super technical, which is why I'm so excited about what's going on here. If you remember, we were talking about the big dividing factor, which was 25.45, this level right here, this black level, right? And we talked about the potential for price action to either turn around here, have a full-fledged downside reversal back. It's still trading sideways, of course. It's been trading sideways for a while. I mean, aside from the last few days, which is actually breaking out, right? So that's what actually happened. Instead of turning around, it made a huge breakout. Now, whether this is a legit breakout or not, we can't say for sure. We think it's legit. Let me show you why. I'm going to show you the weekly chart. It's been very encouraging. All right, it looks very promising. Here's what happened. Price action for the first time managed to close the weekly bar above 25.45. That's the level, right? 25.45, by the way. And this week, it even spiked that level from above. So that's what we call the reconfirmation event, where price action was on the back foot, trying to cross back below that level, failed, and basically catapult itself forward, right off that level. Basically, it used that level to push itself up. So that's a good sign that price action is breaking out, right? It's a legit breakout, which means that we're looking to the next big resistance level, which we already know. It's 27.91. We talked about that before, way before actually. We talked about 27.91 when price action just began to turn around from the bottom here, because we were following up with the silver every step of the way ever since it began to trade sideways, right? Which was a long time ago, August 2020. So about a year and a half ago. And now it's building up another leg. This time it's an upside leg, and it should reach 27.91 at the very minimum. I'm pretty sure it's going to go beyond. Pretty sure it's going to knock off the previous highs, which means 30, right? And again, potentially could go even beyond, well, way beyond, guys, because we might see a massive breakout here. We got 1, we got 2, 3, 4. Well, usually it's not the fourth leg that's breaking out. So, to be honest, there's a good chance we'll see another downside leg. But that's, outside of the scope of what we're dealing here right now. Right now, it's all about 27.91, and we should keep our eyes on the ball, at least for now. Let me show you what happened on the daily chart. It's also quite interesting. Price action we have a local system here with the resistance of 26.34. It basically could push against price action, could have, and send it into a small scale sideways movement. Well, that did not happen. Price action actually closed that daily bar yesterday above 26.34, which means it's probably continuing forward. Today, it literally pushed itself off that level, right? Now, I don't know if it's going to get to that target in one shot. We should be careful. There might be a bit of a technical correction in the middle. It could, it could happen anytime. Right now, we're running $10,000 position, but we've done so well ever since the beginning of that move. around early February. We've done so well here. We're basically trying to catch the last stretch, because 27.91 is our final destination, has been all along. So we're getting close. Alright guys, that's about that. Silver, just before we wrap this up, let's talk about stop loss level. It's 25.70. Alright, seems fair. Yeah, we're done here. Moving on to the next video, guys. We're gonna talk about the Monero. So that's what's coming right up in the next video. See you there.